Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Panamanian_shorty, and my Snapchat is Panama Brit. This shirt is from Fashion Nova, so go ahead and cop this shirt. It's Jimi Hendrix on it, so it's comfortable, it's gray, it's like comfortable clothing. So I'm gonna show you guys how do I apply my Ardell Lashes. You can get this at Target, Ulta, and Sally's, and CVS. I believe Walmart, maybe, but I typically buy mine at CVS. This is the Ardell Wispy brand. I already did one side for you guys, so I'm about to show you the other side for you guys to do. And it's like really fluffy. I typically do not get eyelashes extension at all. My lashes, they're just natural lashes, and these typically last me like all day. So we're just gonna take these out the box. I already used one. I already used 2 rows already. So this is what they look like. They're fluffy, really good brand. They're soft. They're like natural looking lashes. It's like sort of like a dramatic effect to them. So you gotta peel the glue, like peel the lashes off carefully and slowly, and you'll see a clear elastic band, and that's where you will apply your glue. The glue that I use is the Duo glue. It's the dark glue and the black glue. I typically do not use the white glue that they have there at the the stores. You can find this glue at CVS, Target, Ulta. Certain beauty supplies have them too. I believe the lashes were like $10 or $11, I believe, and the glue was typically like $7 or $5, I believe. So you apply the glue onto the base of the eyelash band. You want to make sure you measure, or like you want to see how big is your eyes, and like how do you apply them, because sometimes you want to just cut the band off the lash. That way it can like fit better onto your eyelid. I typically don't cut them. I literally just put the glue on and just put it on my eyelashes and just call it a day. So we're gonna take your glue and apply it to the lash band. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter, nigga, that's my thought. I like her a lot, 'cause it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. So you don't want to apply the glue too sloppy. You just want to put like an even amount of coating. So this is what yours should look like, and that's a good amount of glue on both sides. So we're just gonna let it dry a little bit and get the glue a little bit tacky. So we're just gonna sit and wait. Nigga, that's my thought. I like her a lot. Okay, if you guys are like Tory Lanez fans, comment down below, because I want to see who really listened to his music. And I'm also sipping on Celsius. Celsius is like such a good brand, honestly. A friend of mine put me on Celsius, and shout out to her. Shout out to, I put her I'm not gonna give her name away, but shout out to you, and she's awesome. So the drink is typically like a scale out of 1 out of 10. I give it a 10. I'm typically like a Red Bull drinker or like some sort of like energy drink I need. But so this flavor is wild berry, and it's really good. So good. Delicious, guys. Has no sugar, no preservatives, and it gives energy, accelerates metabolisms, and burns body fats. So it's like really good for you guys. You can find this at Publix. This is not sponsored. You can find this at Publix, Target, certain gas stations, I believe. So girl, your girl is running out of breath putting these lashes. I'm looking at the mirror, by the way. There's a mirror right there. You guys can't see, but it's on the other side. Baby, can you focus on me? So the lashes is just almost like a little bit tacky. So a little bit more drying to do. Oh, and the eyeliner that I use is called Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild brand. It's black. The number is 879. Oh God, can you see it? Focus, focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Okay, so the number is, well, damn, focus. All right, well, it's 879. It's in the shade black. Bear with me, guys. I'm using my phone. So there it is. Slowly but surely, you'll see it. Okay, so it's sort of showing up. But anyways, it's a really good eyeliner. I always pick this brand. So it's like a fine point, eyeliner. It's really good. It doesn't smudge at all. The brand is Wet n Wild. So this brand never goes too wrong for me. And it's waterproof, by the way, too. So I mean, look at that. Like, yes, snatch. It's giving snatch. All right, so it's been like overly what, 5 minutes, I would say, drying these. So I'm going to apply my lashes now to my eyes, and I do not apply it with tweezers at all. So I'm going to look at the mirror and I'm going to apply my lashes. I'll get a little bit closer for you guys. Okay. So I got one band down, and you want to apply it like in the ends. I usually start in the middle and like work my way to the corners. And that way you can just follow the line as your eyes, the shape of your eyes. So this is what they look like. I like mine a little bit out, like extra. But this is how you apply your lashes. This is how I apply my lashes. And we just let the glue sit for a while. And then we pinch. You want to go under your eyes and pinch your real lashes and blend them into the fake lashes. And want to make sure like you're pinching both of the bands, the glue band from the lashes and your original eyelashes to the base of the eyelash band. Hopefully this is making sense for you guys. Because you want to make them appear natural and not like half of it like looking weird and half, I don't know how to explain it, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys close up how it looks. So that's the lashes. So I'm gonna apply the not the mascara, the eyeliner. And I do my eyeliner the same as everybody, nothing different. Typically, it all depends on my mood and how I'm dressing, on how I do my eyeliner. Sometimes I do like a dramatic effect, sometimes I don't. But I'm gonna show you how I do my eyeliner. I'll take care of you. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I'll take. I'm loving, I'm lost. And then I add a little bit more. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We can do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. We be up on everything. I want this forever. That's where I can spend whatever on. Every time it all, every time I get her out, I'll be right around. She made me beg for it. Same thing every single time. Alright, guys. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. Alright, now I'm just blending the eyeliner to my eyelashes. And so this is what it looks like so far. The eyeliner, I don't want to like keep smudging it up, but it dries super quickly. So this is what it looks like. And this is the eyeliner that I use. Like literally, like the eyeliner is literally all over my hand because I don't want to keep smudging it. So that's my video. So thank you guys for watching. I will be posting a little bit more content on here. So So I'm gonna just keep it real with you guys. So just know that. Alright guys, so Ardell, this is not sponsored by the way. So thanks for watching.